as y'all can see by the title, I'm about to wax myself and I'm not happy about it. Before we get into this video, my name is Dominique. If you're new, if you're not new, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button and the bell button so you can be notified when I post a new video. So I've been waxed before down there, only once. It was for spring break Miami. If you didn't see that vlog, it would be up here somewhere. And it was painful. I have a low tolerance for pain, but it's tolerable. And I can't handle pain. But I'm about to do it myself, and it's been like 4 months, around there, since I got a wax. And we got a lot of work to do down there, and we're gonna do my underarms as well. Yeah, it's not much to really explain here. So I'm using this one, so I just picked it up. It says you don't need no warming or rubbing, lasts up to 8 weeks, remove short hair. I also got some baby powder for when I sweat, because I am going to sweat. Child, I don't know why I'm doing this. You know, it's one thing to let somebody else do it, but to do it yourself, whew. Oh Lord, I'm scared. Okay. Whew. Oh, it comes with ooh, here I go dropping stuff. With post-waxing wipes. I didn't even know that. So that's cool. I don't know how much this costs. I forgot. But it comes with 2, 4, 6 wipes. Am I really about to do this? Oh my God, I'm scared. Oh, why did I do this to myself? Okay, let me just add the powder now, because I already know. Because I'm not gonna sweat. Oh, maybe that's too much. Oh my God. Press one wax, one high direction of growth. What do it mean? Pull. Okay. Oh my God, I cannot. Okay, I guess it's 2 shirts. Let me just a little bit more. Ooh, nipple slip. Okay. Oh my God, I can't believe I'm doing this. Oh Lord, this is not. I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it. I'm sweating already. Oh my, it hurts all freaking ready. Oh my God, y'all. Let me move stuff away. It's just too much. It's no going back now. It's no going back now. Oh, Jesus. Lord, please don't let this hurt as bad as I think it is, Lord. It's getting hot in here. Okay. I can't do this. Get hot in here. Okay. It didn't even get a lot. Oh my God. I'm sorry for all this hair, but y'all, I hope I'm not allergic to this because it's red. Oh my God. Y'all, if I'm allergic to this, it did say do a test strip, but you know, I don't listen. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do my vagina. I'm gonna just have to stick to shaving because this is not it. Oh, Jesus. Why do I do this to myself? Okay. You know, I'm a big girl. I'm a big girl. I'm a big girl. Okay, so it's obviously working, but maybe I just need to do small sections. This hurts. Y'all, I'm bleeding. I don't know if y'all could see. This might not, this video may not finish, cause, let me look this up, cause, or what does it mean when you bleed from waxing? Oh, it says you may bleed a little since each hair my earring just fell out. Okay. It says you may bleed a little since each hair follicle is connected to a little blood vessel. Okay, because I was about to say, oh, I still don't like that though. I just like to shave because it's quicker. It's really quicker, especially when it comes to my underarms. I like just shoot and I be done. I don't know how I'm supposed to. Oh. Ah. This is ouch. I don't know, y'all. Like, oh. Oh. Okay. Ah. Freak. Ah. Shoot. I keep bleeding. Like, this is scaring me. Ah. Oh. That was the last one. I think we're done here with the underarms. I'm gonna use one of these wipes. This don't look too good. I don't think y'all really seeing. Do that look good to y'all? I feel, am I allergic?
Don't you do?
I'm just waxing.
No,
But is
that's
that,
not good.
that's not how it's supposed to look?
No, it's not supposed to be red. And then let me look at the other arm. Put that down so I can see if it's swollen. Put that one up. Swollen.
It is?
Yes. No, that's swollen. You need to wash that off, clean it off real good, and put an ice pack underneath your arm, Dominique. Get some Neosporin or something. Yeah, that's bad.
Mom, you should have stopped me.
You don't ever want to listen to me. Never.
Y'all. Well, this is the end of the video. I'm not even gonna try my vagina because, in conclusion, I'm gonna just stick to shaving. Yeah. So, make sure y'all follow me on my social media accounts. I'll see y'all in my next one. I'm about to go take a nap.